guys, welcome back for another free time vlog. So for today's video, magluluto tayo ng napakasimpleng garlic buttered fish fillet. So ito yung fish fillet natin, binili ko sa kapatid ko, 1 kilo to. Madali lang siya kasi ipipirito lang natin yung fish fillet tapos ilulutuin natin, tutunawin natin yung butter tapos lalagyan ng garlic. Ganun lang siya kadali.
Same old thing keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you, with you, with you, with you, just wanna be alone. What was your name again? I've seen so many of them come. Want me just play pretend? All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps me keen. But I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you, with you, with you, with you, just wanna be alone. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. If you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
So iba yung pagkakaluto niya dito sa yung dati nagluto ako doon lang sa may kaserolang maliit, guys, 'di ba? So iba yung pagkakaluto, yung resulta dito sa kawali. Nung nagluto ako dati sa tawag ng kaserola, mabilis siyang maluto tapos mabilis din siyang malutong. Dito hindi, medyo malambot pa rin kahit ilang oras na, kahit ilang minuto na. Yeah, so napakadali ng recipe. Fish fillet lang, coated na, hindi na natin lalagagawan pa ng butter, coating. Tapos yung susunod nito is yung sauce niya, yung pang drizzle niya, which is butter lang at saka garlic. Napakadali. Hindi ko alam kung recipe ba ito. Sobrang dali na recipe. Sobrang niyang daling gawin. Napaka-convenient niya. Tapos ang mura lang nitong fish fillet, guys. 200 lang yata to or 2 plus, 200 plus. 1 kilo na yon. So kayang-kayang suportahan ang 4 na tao, siguro 3 hanggang 4 na tao sa isang kainan. Tapos meron pang panggabi, pwede nyo pa siyang kainin panggabi. So kung nagtitipid-tipid kayo, tapos gusto nyo medyo kakaiba rin yung pagkain nyo, edi try nyo to. Napakamura lang ng ng ang magagastos nyo.
Just wanna be alone.
Yan, medyo malutong na siya ng konti pero malambot pa rin. Luto pa natin. Yun nga lang medyo, sige tama na. Next batch na lang natin.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing, same old thing.
Ayan, so tinanggal ko na yung pinagpirituan natin
If you wanna come around,
ng,
baby, it's
ano pangalan yan?
and if you wanna
Nagpirituan natin ng chicken fillet.
just wanna be alone with
Napalitan ko na rin yung butane, so bago na yung butane natin. Kaya sigurado iinit na yan. So anong gagawin natin is, pipirito natin yung bawang. Ito, chinap ko na siya guys. So 2 cloves of garlic yan. Pirito natin lahat yan hanggang lang natin yung kalan. Ayan, pirituin natin yan hanggang mag-brown or mangamoy siya. Hinaan yung kalan guys ha, siguraduhin yung hindi siya masunog kasi mapait yan. Kapag nasunog ang bawang, mapait. Saktong luto lang.
what was your name again? I've seen so many of them come. Want me just play pretend? All your girls,
Ayan, pwede na yan. Lagyan natin yung butter. So, ang gagawin natin sa butter guys is tutunawin lang natin. Hindi naman talaga natin siya iluluto. So, naka-low na yung yung kalan natin.
If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
Parang madami yung Ang konti ng ngayon. Yung chicken fillet. Dati ang dami. O baka madami yun dahil may mga sibuyas at saka sangkap. So, tutunawin lang natin yan. Dami oh. Nag-misto lang sabaw. Sa bagay, masarap din to sa kanin guys eh. Kung butter. Kapag nagluluto mama ko ng shrimp, buttered shrimp. Masarap sa kakanin ng ng butter.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around.
Yan, so pag tunaw na, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung
If you wanna come around,
dinip-fry nyo na
it's cool.
chicken fillet.
And if you wanna
Yan,
fuck
konti.
around, baby, I do.
So, i-coat nyo lang lahat.
With you, with you, with you,
Dami ng butter, oh. May natira pa.
with you.
Yan, so pag na-coat na lahat, pwede na yan, guys. Pwede nyo na siyang i-serve. Kitang-kita yung kitang-kita yung garlic na, guys. Third chicken fillet natin. Ang dami niyang glaze. So, masarap naman yan. Ilalagay ko siya sa kanin ko. Ewan ko bakit ng konti. Nung dating nakaraan, nagluto ako ng sweet and sour. Medyo maapaw pa ng konti eh. Ba't ngayon konti yung chicken fillet? Binawasan yata yung timbang. Charot. Anyway, let's eat. Magkakamay ako, guys.
the same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if
Sarap.
you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you. With you.
Parang kulang pa yung garlic.
With you.
Ang dami na nun, dalawang bilog na lang ganun.
Just wanna be alone.
Palalagyan natin ng chicken cubes. Yung butter para mas malasa.
Just wanna be alone.
Sarap ng butter, guys.
Just wanna be alone with you.
So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang itong vlog na to. Panoorin yung mga next videos ko guys. Marami pa tayong videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!